Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the Forex.com website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in Forex.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website for Forex. Now if you need to change your password, you can first of all log in from your account section and then clicking on login. Once you're inside the login page, you can continue forward with logging in using your username and password, and then you can go into your account settings to change your password. However, you can also change your password without logging in by clicking on I forgot my password. After clicking on this button, you will be asked to enter your username and email address. So go ahead and type in your username that you set up while creating your account, followed by your account email. Then simply click on Get New Password and you will be told to check your inbox in order to open the password reset link. So check your inbox within the email address that you just entered and you will find a link from Forex.com. Just click on this link and you will be allowed to create your new password. Just enter your desired new password and click on the reset password button and your password will successfully be changed. And now you can use your brand new password that you just set up along with your original email address in order to log back into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Forex.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.